That means it's time for a story of trains short. Okay, engines. We're gonna see the Purple Line progress here. And the tunnel that takes it underground for. If we're gonna see it, we have to walk to the station first. What station? I would look at the pylon, but as you can see, half of it's still covered up. So we just walk to the station again. But before we do, I saw a round sign over there. That round sign right, that sign right here. That sign? That's right. Is that what I think it is? A certain sign that tells you that there's train tracks ahead? Or in this case, a railroad crossing? Okay, that sign down there is definitely giving us spoilers. It is. That's the advance warning sign. And another sign right there. Clever. 2 signs to let you know that the track's ahead. No, you cross the tracks ahead. Clever. Impressive. Now let's check out the station. Okay, we're approaching the station. Let's see, what station is this? Look. It looks like the entrance is open. Just like the other Purple Line stations, which is nice. It means we can get a cool preview. This station is... Oh, it's Long Branch Station. Oh, makes sense. And it looks like and by the looks of it, it's a side platform. Wait, are those railroad crossing signals? These are crossing signals. But are they for the road? I guess roads will cross here. But to get people to the car to stop, they're gonna need something to block it. Which is where the railroad crossing comes in. Our favorite places, railroad crossings. We love seeing the lights flashing, gate going down, and the trains, or in this case a tram, if it's called that, whatever, passing through. Now let's check out the tunnel. If y'all watched Tom's video on the Purple Line, he said the Purple Line will go into a tunnel. So let's see. What's good about this station? There's housing nearby. So this will be good for people living here. They'll get a rail access. A light rail access. Looks like there's gonna be another crossing over here. Probably for pedestrians. Oh look, the Purple Line will go around this curve, and right there is the Purple Line tunnel. Train tunnel approaching, or tram tunnel, Purple Line style. I know you're gonna say that when you ride those things. You know it, Stewart. Wow, the tunnel's all done. Looks like there's gonna be another pedestrian crossing over here. Cool. We found one entrance to the tunnel on this side, but now let's go find the other entrance side. I walked along Arliss Street. There was still lots of construction going on the street, where the construction was mainly focused on the Purple Line. Then I came to Flower Avenue Road. Okay, now we gotta cross this highway. But how? Oh, there's how. Pedestrian signals. Perfect for crossing streets. I got this. Weeble Thomas pushed the button, and we wait for the lights to turn red for the roads. We watch them turn red. They were special kind of signals. Once it's up, the pedestrian signals change to clear. So we walk across the street. That's a cool signal. It only lets pedestrians cross for a few seconds. After the pedestrian signal changed to red, the traffic light signals change to clear, so the cars can go. Cool. Me and the engines walked along Pall Mall Street to a nice neighborhood. This is a nice, good neighborhood. But little did people know that right below them very soon, Purple Line trains or trams will run through. Parker, oh, you got that right name. Now, let's see. Now, we gotta find the other entrance to the Now, we gotta find the other entrance to the tunnel. It should be around here somewhere. Oh. Oh, it looks like another station. It was another station, an underground station. What station is this, Nadeem? According to the Purple Line website, it's gonna be the station's gonna be called Manchester 3. Oh, let's walk around it. They're hard at work. They're trying to find the station as fast as they can. I wish they were finished. I wish they were finished the rest of the Purple Line as fast as they can. This is years behind schedule. So we know it. Look, the tunnel exists there. But how are we gonna get? There's a way. That was a dead end back there. Me and the engine went back to Pall Mall Street. Then we walked down Bradford Road to an intersection towards East Wayne Avenue. There should be something over here. I looked down East Wayne Avenue and saw something interesting. The Purple Line. We might see the Purple Line in a tunnel down there. You're right, Stuart. Let's follow. Haha! I was right. Indeed, you were, Stuart. I see overhead wires and a sign. That means Purple Line. Here we are, you three. The other mouth of the tunnel. Cool. That means there's gonna be an underground station over here. Yep. Yep. We're at the mouth of the tunnel. And I think under there, I see a station. Cool, there's gonna be an underground station. Albeit only one, beside Bethesda. I looked inside the tunnel for a closer look. Yep. Yep, you three. Man, This station, Manchester Place, is a 100% underground station. Huh, cool. Just like the Washington Metro. Let's go back to where we came from. What, back home? No! The other station before Manchester Place. Yeah. So we went back to Long Branch Station. Let's walk down there a little. Follow the purple line a little. Come on. There's so much more to explore. So, let's explore. So we walked down Piney Branch Road. The overhead wires over here aren't not up yet. But they will soon. It was wow. And for a second, it got a little dusty. But me and the engines struggled on. Hey look, another Purple Line station. It's the station named after the road we just walked down. Oh, this is Piney Branch Road Station. Huh. How odd. Oh, I love the paint design on it. It's lovely. Check out the Purple Line website to understand more about the paint at the stations. Okay, you three. We're gonna catch the bus to the transit center, and we're gonna take another bus to an old home. Old place. That my mommy hasn't been to in a long time. Where is it, Nadine? Not to wait and see. Here's the first bus. It's right on Montgomery County bus. 15. 15. As we traveled on 15, looked out at the Purple Line progress. Well, the packers are already up here. At least I think they are. I don't think they are. But we're almost ready. I got off at University East Boulevard and Mariark Drive stop. Okay, 1 and 2 buses. Now for the next one. Okay, so we're at the bus stop. Civil Summer. Down there, I think. We'll come back. We'll come back. We'll come back here. We'll come back later. I thought you cannot go straight. Honestly, I don't know why, because it's a neighborhood. Comment below if you know why, because I do not. Anyway, the next bus we're catching is 17.
17, Silver Spring, departing in 5 minutes.
Here's the next bus stop. We need to catch bus 17. We watched bus 17 down there, and it was stopped at a red light. It took a while, but eventually, the bus pulled up. Got on the bus, and off we go. Where are we going, Nadine? It's an old place. I saw something. Washington Adventist.
Carroll Avenue and Chester Street.
Washington Adventist something is this one. Well, that's where we're going. Is it a hospital? Yes. Well, used to. What do you mean used to?
Carroll Avenue and Glenside
We'll
Drive.
see when we get there. Well, I have
Carroll
nothing
Avenue and
this
Glenside
way.
Drive.
This special place is a place for me and you were born in. and where my mommy met Daddy.
Carroll Avenue and Flower Avenue is 2 stops away.
Carroll Avenue and Garland Avenue.
Approaching Carroll Avenue and Flower Avenue. This is your stop.
Soon, we arrived and got off the bus. "17 pulls away towards Silver Spring. That was a good ride, no doubt. Alright, what are we doing here, Nadim? Okay, look, engines. Look, you three, over there. What's over there? It's just a hospital. It's just a hospital. Yeah, hospital. This is Mommy's old hospital. Her old one? What happened to it? It got shut down. The one in Silver Spring opened. Oh, that's sad. As I said before, this is where me, Nadim, and my brother Naheem were born in this hospital. And where my mommy met Daddy. Oh yeah, it's called Washington Adventist University. Or soon as if we call it Washington Adventist Hospital, because it is, well, a hospital. Makes sense. Good point, Stuart. Here it is, the entrance to the old hospital. I hope the building's still here. My mommy told. Well, why? Why in such a rush to see the building? Because my mommy says it's gonna get knocked down this 1, 2, 3. Oh. So I, Nadim, must see it one final time. I walked towards the now closed building. It was hard work. It was hot that day, and that made me sweat and tired. Sizzling fireboxes. Look at this. Oh my. Did Mommy work in this building? So, this is the building Mommy worked in? Yes. Oh. Yes, it is. Oh. What's left of it? I can Look. A bus stop. Buses, I guess the ride-on operated here. And look, the main building. And the main entrance. I was upset that Mommy's old hospital shut down. Oh, it had a good run too. Oh, I'm sure there are lots of good memories. This old hospital may be about to go, but at least I got to see it one final time. Anyway, back to the Purple Line. We'll finish off here at the Como Line. The platform and track were all done. So, since there was nothing stopping us from going onto the platform, we went onto the platform. There's nothing wrong with it. It gives us a cool preview. I'm surprised that bird and getting electrocuted because these are overhead wires. With electricity. Just like over there. Anyway, here's the platform at Tacoma Langley. Wow, Nadine. Can you believe that most of the Purple Line's almost done? Why can't they just open the Purple Line here to Tacoma Langley? Or maybe in Prince George's County. Trust me, engines, I wanted the same thing. Basically, they said they gotta do testing. But they've been doing lots of testing in Prince George's County, so why can't they just open the route already? Hey, speaking of Prince George's County, are we gonna go check? Later. Let's head back to Metro for now. You're right. We better get going. Let's. Well, we're done checking the purple line at the stations and the tunnels. Thanks for watching this short. We'll see you on the next one. Toodles!
Everywhere you look,